What bird can lead you straight to honey, then share the loot? Stay tuned. You won't believe its secret technique. This bird signals humans with a special trill, then flies ahead to the hive. When the hive's opened, it swoops in for wax and larvae, its favorite snack. Meet the Honeyguide, nature's sweetest tour guide. But how do they learn to work with humans, and only humans? Get ready. Juveniles watch elders interact with people, then mimic the exact trill humans respond to. So, honey trills, human teamwork, wax feasts. This bird cracked the code on cross-species cooperation. Comment with the weirdest animal partnership you've heard of.